Through this video, I wish to congratulate Starbucks. Finally, you're making your foray into India. I think it was long awaited, long anticipated, long speculated. Finally, you've managed to make it official. You've kind of announced that you'll be here, so it's really great. And I also wish to say that I think with the Tatas, you've made a very perfect and immaculate partnership, because I don't think you could have had a better partner than the Tatas, because A, they are into coffee themselves and they know the Indian market like the back of their hand. Nobody else could probably know the Indian market any better. So you've got an excellent partner, you've got everything going, and I think the Indian market now is mature enough and is ready for you. Maybe it was ready for you much earlier as well, but better late than never. You've got competition in the form of Cafe Coffee Day, Barista. I would hope to say that things are the other way around, where now Cafe Coffee Day and Barista will have strong and intense competition from a player of the likes of Starbucks. I have enjoyed your coffee. I have relished your coffee in many parts of the world. I have not found it expensive at all. People here seem to be speculating already that, oh my god, there's this foreign player coming in and coffee will suddenly become a very expensive experience. When I compare prices in Cafe Coffee Day and Barista here at the present, and with what I paid for Starbucks outside, it's pretty much the same. It's pretty much the same. Even when I compare, when I convert from local currency, whatever I paid elsewhere, to the Indian currency, it's pretty much at par. So I don't think when you are not pricing yourself in an exaggerated manner outside, I don't see any reason why you would do so in a market like India, which is definitely quite price sensitive. And at the same time, what I'd say is that Cafe Coffee Day and Barista are no way very cheap or something. I think anything upwards of 100 rupees for a cup of coffee is pretty much on the anvil over there. So that being the case, and here we're not just talking about coffee, we are talking about an experience, we're talking about a certain ambience, we're talking about an atmosphere which is great for, say, dating, which is great for meetings, which is great for just taking a break, which is great for, say, working while having a cup of coffee. We are talking about so many different varieties of coffee, like coffees and conversations, as there's a program which appears on television. So I think that's how it is, and that's what epitomizes, and that's what kind of Starbucks stands for. So from the bottom of my heart, I congratulate Starbucks. I welcome Starbucks to India. I hope you do really well, and there are announcements about 50 stores. I hope you see many more, because I'm sure there's much more potential. I think if you look at a market like Delhi NCR alone, you'll probably have scope for 50 stores. So if you take the whole of India, you're looking at many stores which you can put up. Of course, with the passage of time, you don't want everything to happen overnight. But having said that, great move. Very eagerly looking forward. All the best with everything. Hope you get your entire product mix, pricing mix, everything you get things spot on, and you grow from strength to strength. Cheers. Welcome to India Starbucks.